Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the phone has at least 20% battery and any fragile case or SD card removed. This prevents mid-reset failures. Once ready, power the device off completely so the boot options initialize cleanly. Then press and hold the power button plus the correct volume key combination for your model to reach the boot menu. This sequence differs by manufacturer, so use volume to navigate to recovery mode and press power to enter. Once in recovery mode, you use the volume keys to move through options and the power button to confirm selections, because touchscreen is disabled in this environment. Make sure you select wipe data or factory reset only if you accept full data loss. This action clears settings and apps to resolve deep software issues. After confirming, the system will run the reset sequence. Do not interrupt it. Once the wipe completes, you will return to the menu ready to reboot. You finish by selecting Reboot System Now with the power button so the phone restarts into a clean setup. This restores default software and often fixes crashes. If the device fails to boot or gets stuck, make sure you held keys correctly and try the recovery sequence again, or test an alternate boot key combo for your model. If repeated attempts fail, consult your manufacturer's model-specific instructions or professional service, because persistent boot failures may
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.